How to recover your TikTok account without email or phone number. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the TikTok application. Now here, I have already tapped on the sign in page over here or the login page. Now you can log into your TikTok either by using your phone, email or username, which we would not want to use because let's assume that we do not have a phone number or email ID. You can also get or log into your TikTok by Facebook or by Google. So let's tap on use phone, email or username over here. Now just tap on the username option and then you might know your username as well. But if that doesn't work, then you can just tap on this question mark icon at the top right corner of the screen. And as you tap on the question mark icon at the top right corner, it will give you different options. So just wait for a while until it loads, and as it loads it will give us the option of recover your account at the top. So just tap on recover your account, and as you tap on recover your account, it will take us to yet another page where you need to enter a username or email ID just to mention what is your TikTok account that you'd want to recover. So you just need to enter your username over here, and as you enter your username you can just tap on search and you can just find your account, and then you'll be able to communicate with TikTok applications support team and they'll get back to you within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.